Alright, we are live for break number 309. This is 2016-17 Panini Immaculate Collegiate Basketball. Alright, video's posted, and I'm going to give you guys a couple minutes here to show up.
Stop it. That's enough. You're nuts, Nathan.
Alright, just a couple more minutes. We'll let people find the break. Why didn't you eat it? You don't want it?
I got cold. You want it?
No, right now I don't want it. When you chase a pitch in your eyes, Esky, that's what's going to happen.
What?
You're going to pop it up. Swung at a pitch that was in his eyes.
That's stupid. Out one. That's his rough start eating this year. You know, it was not very much. Hey.
Alright. Let's see, 7 of you here. I don't know that there's a ton of you in the break, maybe only 12. I know somebody said they're going to watch it at work later. And somebody else said they were going to bed. So I think we got most of you in here. I didn't have any trades PM to me. Michael Jensen, you say you're here, but you're not in the break, are you? You just here to watch? I don't see your name. Just spectating, huh? Alright, I've been pretty excited about this box here. Panini Immaculate College Basketball. We've had some good luck with the college versions. Just here for the hell of it, huh? And usually the college brands have given extra hits. So because of that, because of what I've seen, if there aren't at least 6 hits in here, I'm putting in 2 of my own. I put my cards on the line for these collegiate boxes. Excuse me. It's a little overflowing, not like some of the boxes we've seen. Man. Alright. Let's see what we got. Good luck to everybody. Lolly says it's Buddy Hill time. Let's see what we got here. Well, it is overflowing. Let's give them a flip and a flip. So I'm seeing 2, 3, 4, 5. I think there's going to be 7 hits in here. I think they only usually have 1 non-hit. Man, he's loud. I apologize for that. So I'm thinking we got 7 anyway. 91 out of 99, Michael Carter Williams for Syracuse. Goodness. You'd think that he's being tortured. He's just taking a bath. And guys, I do not know college or professional basketball that well. The player on these when they don't have a jersey, it's whoever they started the year of the product with is who it goes to. So like this one, it's showing that Michael Carter Williams started the year. The box is 2016-2017 with the Bulls. So this card will go to the Chicago Bulls, Mike Self. According to the rules originally posted. Alright, the first hit is Sam Decker from the University of Wisconsin. This one numbered 71 out of 99. It's just a tad big. Let's upsize Sam Decker. Sam Decker, Houston. I'll test your guess. I always look them up anyway. Some people have been wrong. Some people just throw out guesses. So, not me doubting you. It's me being thorough. He is for the Rockets. Good call. That is going to Lolly Yang. Decker is numbered 71 out of 99. And the next card is a cool card for a Duke collector here. This one is Brandon Ingram, Jahlil Okafor, Tyus Jones, and Justice Winslow. Numbered 74 out of 99. And wow. I don't know if I could name any of the players, and I'm not going to waste your time right now. We will randomize that when we are done. Numbered 74 out of 99. Unless somebody owns 3 of those players, we will randomize. If somebody owns 3, they just get the card. It's 51% claims. And next card is Darren Collison for UCLA, numbered 8 out of 99. And I'm awful at basketball. I can do some older basketball. I'm pretty sure Collison was at one point a Pacer, but I have no idea if he's even still in the league. Darren Collison, basketballreference.com. Kings. He was a Pacer for a few years, and now he's with the Kings. Darren Collison will go to Lolly Yang. Next card, ooh. That's pretty to me anyway. Perry Ellis from the University of Kansas, number 34 out of 99. Dual colored patch here. And I mean, even as a Kansas fan, I don't follow them when they leave, really. I think Perry was drafted by the Spurs, but I have no idea if he's stuck. Looks like maybe D-League currently. Why didn't they give me Basketball Reference website? Yeah, there it is. That's what I want. September he was signed with the Hornets and got waived by the Hornets. That might be who it'd go to. That's the only one I'm getting out of him. How am I doing this? I'm on computer over here. They go to, if he's playing currently, they go to the player that he started this season with, the season of the product, which was this year. If it's a retired player, Rule 1 is they go to whichever team he entered the Hall of Fame with. And if he's not a Hall of Famer, he goes to whichever team he played the most games with. Greensboro's Swarm current roster, that is for the Hornets. He was signed by the Hornets. So Perry Ellis is going to go to Chris Dunham. Rock, paper, scissors. Just trying to track down the correct team for old Perry. Give it to you since you own 2. 34 out of 99 on that one. And the next card, you asked for it. You got it. Buddy Hield. Rookie patch auto number 1 out of 25. Which will go to, though. I don't know if he's moved around. Isn't he with the Kings right now? But he didn't start the year with the Kings. Was it right? He was traded. Let me get Basketball Reference up. BasketballReference.com. Buddy Hield started 2016-17 with New Orleans Pelicans. So he will go to Chris Dunham. Ooh, Lolly, you were thinking because the current team, Kings. Sorry about that, bud. The rules, we put them up a while ago for this type of card. Since the product usually comes out, early, we go with the team he started the year with. And, like I said, retired players, Hall of Fame, or most games played. But he got traded to Sacramento, so he started the year with the Pelicans. Deonta Davis, rookie patch auto, number 97 out of 99 in his Michigan State gear. Nice 2-colored patch card. Deonta Davis. But I did lay them out so that it was all set. The rules like that. That way, it's already decided. We don't have to do any choosing or whatnot. The rules choose for us. For the Memphis Grizzlies here, Deonta Davis will go to Jeff Davis. And I ran out of top loaders. Again. No, Lolly, there's so many different scenarios that could play out, so I laid out the rules. I did this probably a month ago. It's in every post. It's on there. I had players like in college uniform go to the team that he started the year with of the product. That way, so it's like a 2014 product. Goes to whoever he's playing with in 2014. The retired players, that's where the most games played comes into play. Last card is Jacob Podol. This one numbered 1 out of 25 on card rookie autograph in his Utah gear. Jacob Podol. I've seen the name. I would have stopped you earlier, Lolly, but I didn't even look into it because I don't follow college enough. I just assumed you were right on it. For Toronto Raptors, this one going to David Lloyd. I feel bad bursting your bubble like that, Lolly, but I mean, I posted the rules. Like, I gotta stick to them. That way I don't have to decide on the spot. The cards are just decided by rules in place. So that's how that one worked out. Alright, now we got this random. Brandon Ingram, Jalil Okafor. I'm going to have to figure these players out real quick. Why does Brandon Ingram sound like a Laker? (2016-17) LA Lakers. So spot 1 will be Lakers. Jalil Okafor. Is 76ers. Tyus Jones. You're saying Brandon Ingram drafted by Toronto? Again, I didn't go in too deep about that one. Player he started the year with, it showed just Lakers. Minnesota Timberwolves is the 3rd spot. I'll go and look at Ingram again if that's who you're talking about. Who did I just look up? Tyus Jones. Justice Winslow. Lolly, man, I feel bad, but it's not like I can change it because it just goes by the rules laid out. So is Brandon Ingram you're questioning? Let me go back and peek at him real quick. Or were you talking about Podol? And it shows Ingram started the year with the Lakers there. Alright, Lakers, Sixers, T-Wolves, Heat. Lakers, Dunham, Sixers, Mike Self, Heat, Sean Lista, T-Wolves, Laxina. Those are the 4. And the other 2 we had Ingram, Okafor, Tyus Jones, Winslow. I think I got them all figured out here. Lakers, Sixers, T-Wolves, Heat, as determined by the card. That means we're rolling for 4 or more. We got a 6. Let's shake these 4 teams up 6 times for the winner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and good luck. 6. That one is going to the Miami Heat. And that card belongs to Sean Lista. Alright, not knowing basketball, I mean, I think Buddy was kind of cool, but I don't know how great the box was overall. Am I really out of team bag? No, there's some more. Got a whole shipment of team bags coming in tomorrow. What come today? I don't know. Alright, the Duke card. That one going to Sean Lista. So that I don't have to write anything down. I'm going to go ahead and just put it in his slot right now. Jacob Podol. That one for the Raptors. Going to David Lloyd. David gonna pop these in as I go, so I don't have to remember. Deonta Davis was for Memphis. Deonta Davis, is he a good one? That one going to Jeff Davis. Jeff Davis gets Deonta Davis. And Buddy Hield going to the Pelicans. That one is Chris Dunham. And of course, Chris Dunham, where you shipped. Yeah, there's your name. You were out of the box. Now you're back in the box, Chris. Next card, Perry Ellis. RPA. Perry was for the Hornets. That one will go to Chris Dunham as well. Chris Dunham. And Darren Collison. That one was Kings. And we'll go to Lolly. I think you were shipped too, weren't you? Yeah, I gotta put your name back in the box. Usually I don't sort as I'm going through them, but these college ones to sort later, I have to look them all up again. I'm gonna do these while I remember them. Sam Decker. God, wasn't he Rockets? Yeah, me too, Paul. I was thinking about hitting up Chris and see if he wanted to part with it. You gonna be racing me to that? Decker. I believe we said Rockets. Yep, that one also going to Lolly. Well, at least you didn't go empty-handed, Ollie. Michael Carter Williams, 91 out of 99. Who was he? Michael Carter Williams. Bulls. So that would be myself. I don't need first dibs, Paul. Feel free, man. It's fair game. Alright, that was it for Panini Collegiate. I gotta get off of here so I can get the baseball post ready. Diamond King. No, not Diamond Kings. There's another basketball break. Like right now. It's a late night cheap version, $2.50 a spot. Jump on in if you feel like it. I was gonna see how the cheap basketball would feel. So I need to take a picture and get on it. See you guys later.